Hello and welcome to this beginner's tutorial on using HTTP in Java. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of making HTTP requests and handling responses in Java. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure we have the necessary libraries installed. Java comes with built-in classes for making HTTP requests, but we'll be using the Apache TupClient library for this tutorial. You can download it from the Apache website or include it as a dependency in your project using a build tool like Maven or Gradle. Once we have the library set up, let's start with a simple GET request. Here's some code to get us started. Here we are creating a new TupClient object and a GET request for the URL tup example. We then execute the request and handle the response. Let's break down what's happening here. The TupClient's createDefault method creates a new TupClient object with default settings. We then create a new TupGet object with the URL we want to request. Finally, we execute the request using TupClient, execute request, and store the response in a closable TupResponse object. We use a try with resources statement to ensure the response is properly closed after use. Now that we have the response, we can do whatever we want with it. Let's say we just want to print out the response body. Here's some code to do that. Here we're using the entitutils toString method to convert the response body to a string. We then print it out using system.out.println. That's it for this beginner's tutorial on using HTTP in Java. We covered the basics of making HTTP requests and handling responses using the Apache TupClient library. Remember to always handle exceptions and close resources properly. Thanks for watching and happy coding.